Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies, and we're standing here in front of our Hydroblast cabinet. This cabinet does not use any media. It is simply water, high pressure water, and a low foaming aqueous-based detergent. The whole purpose of this is to degrease parts. Let's see what it'll do when we have greasy, nasty, baked on parts, and see if we can actually degrease this and see if it's actually worth using a Hydroblast before you go to your vapor honing machine. All right, we're done blasting. Let's take a look. Now, you can see the part is still dirty looking on top, but there's no grease or anything coming off on my hand. So this part is completely degreased. What you have left here are the burn marks and stains that aren't coming off unless you use some type of abrasive, which again, this machine doesn't have. We've got heated water, we have high pressure, and we have a low foaming aqueous-based detergent. It is simply for degreasing these parts. This high pressure cleans that surface to where there's no grease on it. When you go put it in your vapor honing machine now, cleaning this part up, you leave no grease and no grime behind. If you have any questions or comments, give me a call, 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.